Hey friends, and welcome back. I've been doing some digging on HGTV's Instagram page, so I wanted to bring you the most liked kitchens that they featured on their Instagram page. Let me know if you agree and if you like them as well. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna kick off with a good one. If any of you all are home decor television watchers, this kitchen is actually the kitchen of the vacation home of Ben and Erin Napier, the couple from hometown. It's actually gorgeous. It's kind of a southern meets English country vibe, and they were influenced by Downton Abbey. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, next up, we have a beautiful blue transitional kitchen designed by Lisa Furtado. Now, what I like about this kitchen is that there's actually a ladder there. I think that's so cool, but I wonder if it would get on my nerves after a while, or if I would really even want to climb a ladder. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, but I also love these blue cabinets. Guys, so this was the HGTV Dream Home 2023 kitchen. This was the prototype. This was the winter. This was the winner. Now, it's a very open and airy space, and as you see, has a really nice island. The kitchen is laid out. It's very large, vaulted ceilings. It has skylights, and what I love, it has a very in-your-face, bold, dramatic black tile backsplash, and the color is green. Okay, so this room was designed by Zoe Feldman Designs. We'll see some more of her work a little later, but this is perfect for people that love the idea and look of subway tile, but just want to do something different besides the typical white. This blue is absolutely gorgeous and is perfect for people that just want a splash of color, and while you're looking, check out those beautiful marble countertops. Okay, so this look was put together by designer Hilary Farr for her home decor show, Tough Love with Hilary Farr. Now, even though I do like it, very neutral, very, subdued, one thing I absolutely love are the appliances. Look really close. Do you see that they are all stainless steel, but they have gold hardware? I've never seen that. The stove, the oven hood, and the refrigerator. I just think it's gorgeous. Okay guys, so here is a design by Lauren Rubin Architecture, and I want you to let me know what you think about it. Now this one caused quite the stir on Instagram. Why? Because not everyone is a fan of open shelving, especially one like this that I have never seen before that actually frames the doorway. Let me know if you think this is genius or not. Okay, so here is a look from Interior Archaeology. Now I am completely sold just based solely off of that beautiful olive paint, that gold or brass hardware, and that beautiful inlaid wood in there. Now the really fascinating thing about this kitchen are those bifold doors. I don't even know if you noticed them, but this is my speed. I love this, and shockingly, I can probably do without the marble. Hey, and here's one by Naomi Stein. Now, I absolutely love this. I feel like I love all these kitchens, but you get so much with this kitchen. You have that beautiful pop of green from the island. You have a very, very neutral upper kitchen, but then when it comes to the lower cabinets, you have this beautiful natural wood that ties into your floor. I think this kitchen is bright, it's airy. Notice how they painted the ceiling as well. This would go really great in a cabin to me. Alrighty guys, not even gonna lie to you. Probably one of my favorite kitchens, maybe besides the olive one. I am a sucker for a large kitchen, and I'm even more of a sucker for natural light and of course for pink, and this kitchen has it all. This is by Caitlin Murray, and look how many islands there are. Tons of prep space in this kitchen. Alrighty friends, lot going on in this kitchen as well. This is by John McLean Design. Of course, we have that beautiful bright blue island there. Love that gold hardware, and notice how that hardware actually travels up to the vent hood. Love that as well. And no, those subway tiles are not black. They are charcoal gray with white cabinets. So if you ever wanted to see how that would look together and play together, this is for you. Okay, I thought this kitchen was adorable. This is by Zoe Feldman Designs, and she is going to be showing us how even with a very small kitchen, and as you can see, this kitchen is small. However, it is big on style and it's very elegant and chic. So if you have a small kitchen, don't be afraid to decorate. And I love that pop of pastel pink towards the ceiling. Kind of gives it an accent look. So now we have a kitchen designed by Jen Feldman Designs. Now this one I really think went viral on the internet because a lot of people have smaller kitchens and space is always an issue. So you see this designer actually installed open shelving in front of the window. You may say block the window, but it is open so you're still going to allow sunlight in and it gives you just an extra space to store items. And now we have this beautiful look. Now this kitchen is brought to us by Lauren Clement, and I have seen the past couple of years, I think even myself, I've done a lot of videos on navy blue cabinets, but this is a gorgeous, almost aquamarine, pale blue color that I think would be gorgeous, not only in any kitchen, but especially in a coastal or beachy type home. Alright, now is the time to bring in a little rustic charm. We have this beautiful kitchen thanks to Martha O'Hara Interiors, and as you can see, it's definitely giving country. What I like about it is it's a perfect blend of country and modern. You still have all of the modern, up-to-date appliances that you need and want, just with a rustic flair. So now we have something fun from designer Brian Patrick Flynn, and I can absolutely see why this kitchen got a ton of votes because look at it, it's giving country but also a little something else, and I absolutely love the shades for those pendant lights up there, and of course that little glass front hutch so you can display all of your decorative items. Okay, so all of my coastal ladies and gentlemen, this room is for you. This is by designer Toby Fairley, and as you can see, you are ready for the beach in this one. First off, check out the turquoise, the really soft muted turquoise blue cabinets and backsplash, and even the base of the island. Very gorgeous, especially with those pendant lights and chairs. Okay, so this kitchen was featured in the HGTV magazine, and instead of going with the traditional white or cream cabinets, they went with this really pale muted blue-gray color that I think is absolutely gorgeous, especially when you pair it with brass hardware. And if you look closely, you can see a marble subway tile that really sets off the look. This look was pieced together by the designer Natalie Myers. Now, if you're a person that thinks that marble is just so stuffy and just reminds you of a museum, this look may be perfect for you. As you see, there's a ton of marble, but it still has a really fun, eclectic, whimsical look, especially with all of that super dark black veining of the marble and those really bright orange chairs. Alright friends, so let me know which design or designer is your favorite. If you want to know mine, of course, it's this beautiful pink one, even though I might get sick of it. But this olive one, I think I could have this for years. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.